Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck the Cup box break number 89. Just 1 second. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So number on the tin is NE189497589. That's NE189497589. I just have a quick announcement before I do the break. On our website, breakawaysc.com, we're doing a cup case break and a Dominion case break. Also a little team draft style break with Series 1 from 08-09 all the way to this year for the Young Guns. So if you want to check us out, breakawaysc.com. The best thing to do, the links will be posted in the YouTube video. You'll see them at the bottom, so just click on them. It'll take you right to the website. The Cup and Dominion case breaks are, you pick your team. There's predetermined prices. It's not a team style draft or anything like that. So if you're interested, check us out, breakawaysc.com. Let's get on with the break. Hopefully we can pull something nice out of this box. Start with the base card for the Blue Jackets of Steve Mason, number 168 out of 249. Have a patch out a rookie for the Sabres of Marcus Foligno, 201 out of 249. We have a patch out a rookie short print to the jersey number, 14 out of 39 of Matt Fratton for the Leafs. We have a Stanley Cup Signatures card for the Canadiens of Larry Robinson, 33 out of 50. Larry Robinson. We have a 1/1 printing plate for the Senators of Stefan DaCosta. And then to finish it off, we have a patch 10 out of 10 for the Blues of Yaroslav Halak. Decent looking patch. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.